Howdy brothers and sisters, today we're gonna see how to resurrect one CNC machine. Today is nice December morning or afternoon, it's actually afternoon, okay, it's morning for someone. And we have a CNC LC20 Okuma and it have pulled out control board, but we have this nice Chinese CNC control board with a nice handheld. Oh, let's go down here. We're gonna move this axis, upper Z axis. Here we have a relays, electronic control, and here we have a boards. This is encoder board, and this is servo board. It's connected to the motor. This is connection to the encoders, position encoders, absolute position encoders. This is power supply, who would say, and this is like we have a logging like position, encoder, how much we use the scenes. I need to debug that out. Now I need to turn the powering of the relays, like here, this, right here. Oh, it's on. Okay. I have a little spikes on the position, but it's still 0. Okay, go around here. Okay. If I move it, it should move. You see? Let's do it on the 100 steps. Let's see. Let's take. What the heck I did now? No, nothing. I just accepted it. Okay. These are magnets, so it can stay there. As you can see, if I step like here, it's gonna move the belt of the axis, and it's gonna. Otherwise, it cannot be seen. But I have a mushroom. My mushroom doesn't work. Still doesn't work. So if I make some mistake, it's going to like pull out or settle. So I don't want to like make it faster, just to check it if this works. So it works fine. It works fine. I need to calibrate it and to, I don't know, make it in the boxes and make the full PCBs and debug or other things, something like that, and things like that. So I'm proud of my garbage electronics. I really proud. It's just a masterpiece. On the raster board you see like traces things like that, and it's like from 5th try I made a PVM duck for the driving of it. So it's a masterpiece. It's a masterpiece. You see, of course I didn't write this program, but you see this is like position of coder. I can like here push buttons, so I can move it here. Like, oh, this doesn't work, right? Wait. But oh no, I pulled it out. Wait a minute. Oh, I don't know. Do you move? No, doesn't move. Okay. This is kind of dangerous. Hope it doesn't do something. No. Everything okay? Oh no, 46499 per juggle. I have like these spikes, right? What the heck, man? For some reasons it gets these spikes. I don't know. Turn it off. What the heck? Okay, I know that problem. It's a problem in communications. Whatever. So that was that. I need to debug a lot more. So until the next time. God bless you, my friends.